Hello everyone, welcome to Maths by DV. So here we have one question. If y equal to box of mod sin x plus mod cos x, where mod x is modulus function and where box x is an integer part function. Right? We know that what is modulus function and what is integer part function. We need to find dy by dx. So this is our actual function. This is our y, right? And we need to find dy by dx. So first of all, y equal to box of mod sin x plus mod cos x, right? Now I'm going to take square of this term. What is whole square of this term? Yes, modulus sin x whole square plus 2 mod sin x mod cos x plus mod cos x whole square. Okay, so this is nothing but we know that modulus x whole square is nothing but x square. In similar way, this is nothing but sin square x. Similar way, modulus cos x whole square nothing but cos square x. And we can write this term to mod sin x mod cos x modulus of 2 sin x cos x, right? We know that sin square plus cos square is 1. 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x, so mod sin 2x, right? So our function, so we can say that mod sin x plus mod cos x is nothing but under root 1 plus mod sin 2x, right? Under root 1 plus mod sin 2x. But we need to find box of this function, right? Box of this function. For that we need to find the range of this function. Range of this function, right? So we know that mod sin anything, mod sin 2x lies between 0 to 1, right? Now adding 1 on both these sides, we get 1 less or equal to 1 plus mod sin 2x less or equal to 2. Now taking square root on both these sides, sorry, all three sides. So this is nothing but 1 less or equal to under root 1 plus mod sin 2x is nothing but mod sin x plus mod cos x lies between 1 to root 2. Yes, but yes, root 2 is nothing but 1.41, right? So mod sin x plus mod cos x belongs to 1 to 1.41. So if so y equal to box of mod sin x plus mod cos x equal to 1. Why 1? We know that if x belongs to if x belongs to 1 to 2, close open, then box x equal to 1. In similar way, if x belongs to 2 to 3, then box x is 2, right? So here y equal to 1, so dy by dx is nothing but 0. Yes, isn't it easy? Yes, Bacha. Okay, that's all for this question. We'll be meeting in next session with new question. Bye bye, take care, thank you so much.